art beaters, Becky here for artbeads.com, and we've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're going to be looking at all of the different leather options that we have available at artbeads.com, and we'll be diving into how to use them in your jewelry designs. We really have a lot of great leather options. It's such a popular look for jewelry, especially jewelry you make yourself. So we're going to take a look at all of those wonderful options and give you some jewelry inspiration for how to use them in your designs. So let's dive in and take a look at the wonderful world of leather. Our most extensive option for leather cord is round leather cord, and we offer this leather in a variety of beautiful colors and lots of different sizes, anywhere from 0.5 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, all the way up to 5 millimeter. And there's so much you can do with round leather cord. It's really great for creating simple little bracelets like this one. This is just a thinner leather cord with birthstone or chakra charms attached. And then we used a sliding closure here to make it an adjustable bracelet that's easy to slide on and off, and just finished it with knots. You can use it to make fun little hoop earrings. We've got little nice glue-in ends that you can use with your leather to give them a really nice professional looking finish. They're great for tassels, especially that thinner leather cord. These pieces were just folded in half and wire wrapped, added some seed beads to the end of the tassels and knotted. Super cute. The thicker sizes are great for thread wrapping, and that's what we did here. We've got some embroidery floss and beads wrapped onto these. This one has a charm at the center. This one is 2 leather cords with a kind of herringbone wrap and then beads added to the center in a wrap style. And that can add some really fun color to contrast with your leather. Wrap bracelets are such a great choice for leather of all kinds of different sizes. This is a really fun leather wrap with beautiful pearl beads in the center. You can do that with seed beads as well, and all kinds of different bead styles you can add to your wrap bracelets. Weaving, you can even weave with your leather. This was made with the Bangle Weaver tool, and we have a video for how to do that. Looks really great with that texture and size of that leather. Again, all just knotted to finish, so you can use these really fun finishing touches, or you can just knot. This is another fun idea for your round leather cord. It's woven in and out of this chunky chain for a really cool bracelet look. Another great use for leather is making a shorter bead strand and then finishing it with leather. Gives it kind of like a boho, I don't know, Southwest kind of feel. This is great to kind of switch up your look, or maybe you don't want a full beaded strand, or maybe you don't have enough beads that you want to use to make a full beaded strand. Leather is a good option for finishing a project like that. You can even do something really intricate like flat kumihimo with your round leather cord. So really pretty look there too. So all kinds of different ways to use our round leather cord, and we certainly have lots of beautiful options. We also have flat leather cord available, anywhere from 5 millimeter to 10 millimeter in size. And flat leather is a really kind of fun contemporary look. And we also have a lot of great sliders and clasp components to use with our flat leather. So this is a cute little choker with some fun little letter sliders. And we also used some ribbon ends to finish this piece. So ribbon ends are great for using with flat leather as well. This is a bracelet with more fun sliders and a clasp that is made to work specifically with this flat leather. So really nice finishing touch there. And then this is that smaller size of flat leather in a really fun color. And this one was finished with this really fun kind of tri-buckle component, added some charms and dangles, and then riveted this end to complete the look. So you can keep your leather really simple, but you can also do some of those more specialized leather techniques like riveting and hole punching and things like that. The same category of flat leather, we also have suede and deer tan lace. This is another flat option, but it's going to have a little bit of a softer, more flexible texture and feel than just the regular flat leather. Again, it's great for knotting, adding little dangles. There's another one of those sliding closures that we used for an adjustable look. This is just a really long wrap with leather embellishments added to the front with rivets. Just a really long piece that you can wrap around, and you've got a little buckle type closure riveted to the end here. So deer tan lace and suede feels really soft and nice against the skin. It's a little more flexible too, so that's another flat leather option. Also have braided leather available, both flat and round, and those can be used in the same kind of way as your flat and round smooth leather. So I've used this braided leather here in this fun little wrap bracelet with some turquoise and a nice tiara cast button. I used it here as a necklace with some fun little ends that I just glued on. I created this hollow Cellini spiral stitch tube, and I just slid this on to a braided leather necklace here, and then added crimpins and a clasp. So braided leather is a great option if you want a little more texture, just a little more eye-catching interest to add to your jewelry designs. We also offer really thick oval leather. This is called Regalese leather. This is great for a chunkier look. It's a little bit stiffer, so it will wear kind of more like a bangle. And we have sliders and clasps available to use with this oval Regalese leather. Typically this leather is 10 by 6 millimeter in size. We also have the mini Regalese oval leather that is 10 by 4 millimeter in size. We also have some leather alternatives. We have this really fun patterned fabric cord. This is a round cord. I love the feel of this, and I love the different patterns that this comes in. It's really eye-catching all on its own and colorful, so you don't have to add much to it. You can make fun little bracelets. This is a nice little kind of wraparound choker design, just really beautiful. We also have Korean wax cord available, so that's another leather alternative, and that was used here. It's woven through these Rolo chain pieces and then wrapped around this cup chain in the center. Cotton cord is another leather alternative that we used here in this fun flat braid bracelet. So those are your alternative options to leather. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that this was helpful and inspiring to you. Maybe you'll start using more leather in your jewelry designs, or maybe you'll try it for the first time. Either way, I hope that this video was helpful. As always, make sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this one come out. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!